Hey there, welcome. Today, I'm diving into something super exciting, trying to build a killer virtual summit funnel that actually makes money. Yep, you heard that right. Let's see if I can pull this off. Now, if you're wondering how you can create a profitable virtual summit funnel that maximizes your revenue potential, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can make sure your summit doesn't just fizzle out, but keeps making you money long after the event is over. Here's the deal. A lot of creators get stuck on the actual summit itself, which is important, sure, but they miss out on the bigger picture, the funnel that surrounds the event. Think about it. Your summit isn't just a 1-day or 2-day deal. If done right, it can be a revenue-generating machine for months. But unfortunately, most creators leave a lot of money on the table by neglecting the marketing strategies that actually drive sales. Today, we're going to fix that. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to create a summit funnel that not only attracts people to your event, but also keeps them coming back to buy from you, even after the summit is over. Sounds good? Let's dive in. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is not knowing who their ideal audience is. They try to appeal to everyone, which means they end up connecting with no one. If your message is too broad, it just gets lost in the noise. This is a problem because it leads to poor marketing, wasted money on ads, and ultimately a low-quality audience that has zero interest in buying from you. The key? Be super clear on who your audience is and create a message that speaks directly to them. Another big hurdle is the offer itself. So many creators try to sell something that just doesn't resonate with their audience, or they don't present it in a way that shows its value. When your offer isn't clear or doesn't solve a specific problem, sales are going to be low, and your audience is going to feel like, meh, that wasn't really worth it. To avoid that, you've got to create an offer that's irresistible, something that solves a real problem for your audience and makes them think, I need this. So, we're going to break down the essential components of a successful summit funnel today. We're talking about targeting the right audience, creating a compelling offer, and using smart marketing strategies that actually work. The goal is to create a seamless experience that not only educates your audience, but also entertains them and gets them to take action. Let's talk about the first step, knowing your audience. Once you know who you're talking to, everything else becomes so much easier. You can focus your marketing efforts, craft messages that resonate, and attract the right people to your event. From there, you want to create an offer that speaks directly to their pain points and desires. Whether it's a service, a course, or even software, it has to be something they can't resist because it's exactly what they need. Now let's talk marketing. Effective marketing strategies are the backbone of any successful summit funnel. This includes email marketing, social media ads, content marketing, you name it. All of these pieces should work together to drive traffic and convert attendees into paying customers. You want to build hype around your event, create a sense of urgency, and get people excited. The more buzz you create, the more likely they are to hit that register button. One thing creators often forget is the follow-up. A lot of people think their work is done once the event wraps up, but really, that's just the beginning. A well-crafted follow-up sequence can be the difference between a funnel that makes money and one that flops. You've got to keep engaging with your audience, continue delivering value, and build trust until they're ready to buy from you. Whether it's through email, retargeting ads, or even direct mail, whatever works for your audience, keep that connection alive. So here's the game plan. Focus on your audience, craft a compelling offer, get your marketing strategies on point, and don't forget that follow-up. When you put all these pieces together, you're setting yourself up for success. You'll have a summit funnel that not only attracts attendees, but also drives sales long after the event ends. All right, let's wrap this up. We've gone through the key steps for creating a profitable summit funnel. If you follow these, you'll be on your way to hosting summits that generate real revenue. Before we go, if you want to make your summit building process even easier, be sure to check out the Virtual Summit Funnel Kit by Collaboration Station. It eliminates the stress and complexity of hosting virtual summits with customizable Kajabi page templates and tons of resources to help you streamline your workflow. You can grab the affiliate link in the description box below. Trust me, it's a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. We've got tons of digital marketing strategies coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.